You too delicious. 'Tis I again, the purveyor of alcohol pornography. Now, I bought something else I wanted to try, and it's time to be the guinea pig. Guinea pig. What have I here? First thing I think of when I see this, Smirnoff Ice Smash, brought to you by the Hulk. The Incredible Hulk. The Marvel superhero one. Smirnoff Smash. No, you can't see them? Anyways, it's a screwdriver. It's orange. How can you go wrong with that? I also saw a cherry lime one. I was like, but the cherry's gonna cross out the lime, and the lime's gonna cancel out the cherry, and it's just gonna be like, I don't know what it is. This is straight orange. It's not messing around. Whoa, oh god. Yeah, that, oh my god. Let's get down here, you delicious. You ready? Yeah, you are. Oh, fucking orange grows your nipples. That's some citrusy. Damn. You want a bump of citrus? Knock yourself out. See? Not bad, right? Up we go. Time to pour this. It's bright, like orange juice. OJ in a glass, and it's fizzy. Oh my god, yeah. It's like orange soda. I think it'll taste like orange pop. Or orange soda if you are in the US of A, which I'm a guest. 8% alcohol / vol. It's good. Even has like a juicy taste to it. Did I add juice to this? You guys, are you trying to make drinking a healthy experience? What? No, contains yellow number 5 dye. Flavored nope, not healthy. Not real oranges. But it's tasty, guys. Smirnoff Smash Ice Screwdriver. And upload.